There I was, trading away to my heart's content until I'd had enough of the tiny profit margins. And now I have found a method where I can dev coins and very quickly stack the cash to the point where now I'm nearly at 900k. What an insane amount of money. Follow this video for the simple process that you can do too.
Really?
This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. For those of you who are still here, you obviously are committed to making some serious dough. Before I get into this method, there's just something I want to show you, which is sort of a selling point really as to why we can take perfect advantage of how the market is set up. So you can take a look at this chart here and you can see there's just this massive skyward rocket up. And do you know what? That is great for the dev because all that liquidity has gone into their coin and they can just pull it right back out at any point they would like. In this case, it didn't happen. So if we were the dev, we would pick this point at the end of this 6-hour period here, or 7-hour nearly, and then we would just pull all that liquidity and all that money would go straight into our pockets. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We will end up with a P&L chart that looks exactly like this. It'll just be going up and up and up and up and up and up and up. And we've had it of being in the red. We're not going to be in the red anymore because we're going to be the devs. Get out of the red, be a dev. That's what we're doing today. All right, so, take a look at some of these profit margins. Insane. Speaking of, we are going to use CreateCoin.fun. That is the platform that we are going to use to launch our own coin using Solana. That is CreateCoin.fun. Now, no coding is required. You don't need to be a computer whiz to know how to operate this website. It works in seconds, okay? Look at that. Solana in seconds, no coding required, right? Easy as that. You can take, a bit of Solana, put it onto the market, and then you will be raking in some serious cash. Now, let's talk about markets because as you can see, the pump market, the numbers, they aren't too great, to be honest, at least for most coins that are on there, because the problem with the pump market is it's just absolutely chocked full of shit coins. There's so many coins on there. By the time you've put one up, about 10,000 other coins are also on there. However, if we switch to a different market, let's look at Meteora, because CreateCoin.fun uses Meteora. Now, as you can see, the market caps are just way better here. You have got hundreds of millions, nearly a billion in the case of 530A, 1.14 billion in the AATF. There are tons of coins here that are getting into the billions or at least into the hundreds of millions. And that's because there's less shit coins on there and more room to grow. And that's what we're going to take advantage of. Now, in my Phantom wallet at the moment, you can see I have just over $100. First of all, we need to connect the Phantom wallet, and it's as easy as clicking that button and then clicking Phantom. Now, I recommend having about $100 in the wallet. That's kind of what we need to get ourselves going before we launch our coin. Normally, you take your token name, you'd give it a symbol, you'd give it an image, and you'd go on a cool marketing spree and you try and make it big with your coin, and you've made it yourself, and it's all yours, your precious little baby, and you'd want it to do so well, but we're not going to do that because that's for chumps, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to do the easy thing that still makes us tons of money. We're going to copy a trending coin. So we simply click copy trending, we go to this menu here, and you can see here it's got a bunch of coins where the hype has already been generated on the pump market, and all we're going to do is migrate them over to Meteora, and we're going to rake in the cash for someone else's hard work. That's the best kind of cash. You know how when you take someone else's food, it tastes better? This is the same thing. We're basically taking someone else's cash, and it feels heavier in our pockets. All of these are really good options. I mean, I like the look of... I'm not into that brain rot stuff, but, Okay, maybe let's try cat with hat. There we go. Let's try that one. That's a cute one. Let's use that. Again, any of these would have been good choices. Now, you will initially get the request blocked pop-up, so you've got to just click through these that you understand, confirm, and then you'll have to tick a box and then hit confirm again. This is a normal part of the process. You will need to do this when you set up your Phantom wallet, and it will just proceed like this, okay? So now we are going to create our liquidity pool. So what we're going to have to do here is we're going to put a little bit of our soul on the line, and that's just to get us going. So here we are. Now we've got this menu here, the liquidity pool menu, okay? So the only value we're going to change is the amount of soul that we are going to put in. All right, so you can see a few other details there, but we don't need to touch any of those other details, okay? So we don't need to touch this one, we don't need to touch the amount, none of that. What we're going to do instead is we are just going to put an amount of soul into the coin. So I typically like to put in about 0.2 soul. You can put in more if you like, just to give it a bump, but then, you're dealing with, higher overheads in terms of your profit margins and stuff like that. So then I would simply just create the pool, okay? So you put in 0.2 and then you create the pool, and it's It's as easy as that, guys, okay? So you just hit confirm on that, and then our coin will be made and it will be on the market. Really simple stuff so far. Again, we haven't coded anything. We're just pushing buttons. So you can see there's like a sort of overview of our coin here, and that's just something that we can see our SOL, we can see how many tokens we've got, and we can see our value at $16.04. Okay, so that's that's a good starting point. So let's click this lightning bolt, because this is the secret ingredient. This is the secret sauce that is going to launch our coin to the moon, and we are going to boost our token. Now, for an additional 0.25 SOL, it boosts our token to the top of the trending list for Dex Screener. That means all those trend chasers and all of those bots are going to see our coin first. So let's hit boost, let's confirm that transaction, and let's get this going. This is a crucial part of the process, otherwise it's just going to be really slow going, guys, and you're relying on that luck element again. This removes the luck element entirely. So we are going to have a look, see how our coin is doing on Dex Screener, and already we are going to see in a brief moment how those transactions are going to come in. Here we go, 25, 44 traders already, and we've been running for a few seconds. So guys, you can see the boost effect really comes in clutch right at the start, just to get your coin kicked up. And of course, the better your coin does at the start, the more people are going to see it, the more that hype generates. It's the snowball effect. It just keeps going and going and going. Liquidity nearly at 2k already. Our market cap, we have blasted past most of those pump coins. As you can see, guys, the Matora market is the way forward. Our coin's got room to breathe. It's got room to grow, okay? Probably going to run this for another 10 seconds or so before I switch back to create coin, and then we will look at the next phase, which is this one here. So create coin, you go back to that site, we'll have a look. Let's see how our numbers have changed since I've been running this. Let's see. When this loads up, we will see 1.58k, guys. That is a insane, nearly a I think if not a 10x, then a 100x, I reckon, nearly on our initial investment there, which is fantastic. You can see we've got 19.7 SOL in there. So we are going to remove all of that liquidity, 100% going straight into our pockets. Yes, please. Now, obviously, I make money with these videos every time I do this. So what I'm doing is I'm giving away half of what I make in this video to some lucky people who leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, so we've gone from $100 to $1,500, guys. We have over 10x'd our profits. That is insane. If you are not trying this method, guys, you've got to try it out.